Here's how to install the Air King EVDH series exhaust fans with humidity sensor featuring effective, energy-efficient, almost silent operation. These units are perfect for installations into new and existing construction and will automatically operate according to the humidity level of the room. Before starting any installation, make sure to disconnect the power supply at the circuit board. Choose a location that the ducting and number of elbows in the ducting will be kept to a minimum. Install the mounting rails to the housing and place the housing in a previously cut hole so it is flush with the finished ceiling. Extend the mounting rails to the joists and secure in place using screws or nails. Once the housing is secure, connect the ducting to the collar assembly using tape or a screw clamp. It is recommended to wrap or place insulation around the ducting. Next, connect the power supply to the unit. Remove the blower from the housing by unscrewing the two screws holding the blower in place. Lift up on the blower and slide it out of the tabs on the housing holding it in place. Next, remove the screws holding the wire compartment in place. Run wiring from an approved wall switch to the housing through a strain relief and make all connections to the wire compartment according to the instruction manual that was included with your specific model. Your specific wire compartment might look slightly different than the one shown here. Reinstall the wire compartment and the blower. Plug the fan's quick connect motor cord into the receptacle located on the wire compartment according to the instructions that were included with your specific model. These connectors will only fit one way. To set the speed of the fan, first adjust the rocker switch to decide if you would need more or less than 65 CFM of ventilation. Once you have decided on the minimum required airflow, the fan CFM level can be adjusted by using the adjustment knobs as indicated in your instruction manual. Next, we will set the humidistat that allows the fan to automatically turn on or to high speed for dual speed models. To set the desired humidity level of the room, locate the dehumidistat dial located on the wire compartment cover. Set the dial to the relative humidity you want the fan to maintain, usually between 50 and 80%. Restore power to the unit and test that the unit is working. The blower wheel should be spinning freely and air should be flowing through the unit without any obstruction. Install the sealing flange by placing an approved sealant around the edge of the flange and lift into place. Seal the drywall around the unit so it is flush. Install the grill by squeezing the two ends of the springs together and pushing them up into the slots on the fan's housing. Push until the grill is in position and flush against the sealing material. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation and are ready for years of high-quality, energy-efficient ventilation. The E-Series from Air King provides effective ventilation at nearly silent sound levels and is perfect for compliance with many national and local codes, including ASHRAE 62.2 local and continuous ventilation. Air King, powerful, high-quality, energy-efficient ventilation for residential and light commercial settings. Learn more about all of Air King's ventilation solutions at www.airkinglimited.com.